Good evening, everyone. Hello, Hanadi, Gina, Manjula. Good
Hi,
evening. Good to
Ranjit.
see you, Hanadi.
Good to see you too.
Thank you for all the patience for all this entire month of Feb that you've kept to join from 1st March.
Yeah, looking
How are
forward.
you doing? Am I audible?
Yes.
Right. How are you doing? How is the situation out there?
Well, I don't
Places?
know. They are saying also there might be another lockdown. So we'll see how it's going.
Okay, Manjula and Gina, please keep your video on so that we can interact. Hello? Manjula, Gina.
Hi,
Hello,
good
Gianna.
evening, sir. Yeah,
Very good
my
evening.
name is Gianna.
Diana. Okay.
Yeah.
I am Manjula Arun.
Hello, Manjula ji. How are you? Both of
Good,
you.
thank you.
Yeah. So this class about happiness coaching is basically a very interesting class that we are designing for, coming up aspects of life where uh, there are 3 modules which we are looking at. So the first module is what we are beginning. This is a practitioner's course, but the practitioner's course is all about also being able to help people to become a happiness coach and be there. So this is going to be a 3-module journey with us. The first module is what we are beginning in March. From 1st of March, it is going to be 1 month commitment and 3.5 hours every day from 6:30 to 10 each night, each evening, 4 days a week. And then there are 3 extended days which we will be doing full day of learning basically about, and this is a collective amalgamated program in which we are going to teach subcognitive counseling modalities, neuro-linguistic programming, gestalt, positive psychology, counseling skills, and a whole lot of other things, which is what we are going to teach in this 1-month program. Hello, Fariba. How are you? Good evening. Good to see you. How are your 10 cases coming up, Fariba? I see you working very hard for the 10 cases. Not
It's
bad.
coming along because I know it takes long.
Yeah. And of course, you need to be also tuned in to what you've learned to applying. And this usually happens. So, we need to perhaps only try to keep things on track with whatever that you've learned until you applied the neuro pathway of reinforcement is not built. And when you want to become a very confident therapist, the whole idea of even announcing the happiness coaching part is to also empower people to empower others, especially if not from outside. Begin with yourself, your family, and people around. This is how we will begin. So yes, Gianna, what
Yes,
brings you
sir.
to happiness coaching? What is your objective to join this program?
Well, I am already certified NLP.
Wow.
Yes, and I practice therapy, psychotherapy here in Mauritius. I'm talking to you from Mauritius.
Mauritius, okay.
And I left Dubai some months ago, and I work mainly for less privileged people. When I say less privileged, those who have very low income. I teach in school, and everything I do, it's voluntary service. And also I meditate. I teach them to meditate and visualization. Yeah. So I have
That's really
different
amazing.
ranges of status of people, some suffering of bipolar, schizophrenic, all those types of people.
Schizophrenic also, my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all voluntary service. Yeah.
Okay. Manjula ji, over to you. What brings you to this, knowing about this program, happiness coaching? What do you aim at doing with this program? Unmute. I think your
Yeah.
family is
Okay.
helping you to get
Yes. Yeah, actually, I'm visiting my daughter in Dubai. I don't
Okay.
live here. We
Okay.
live in India, but we are just
Okay.
visiting her. And then one of my friends suggested this course, and I should attend it and all that. And I've heard, of course, about happiness and life coach and all that. And
Wonderful.
I just was curious and keen to know how one can give happiness,
Yes.
at least to begin with, as you said, in the family.
Exactly. As we said, yes, rightly,
Yeah.
because in the family, your first role and
Yes.
leadership that begins with the family, helping them, coaching them, etc. As a mother, as a grandmother, I can see that you also have a grandson in the background.
Yes.
Even the husband is
Yes.
very keen to
Yeah.
look at what you are. Thank you so much. Namaskara.
So
Thank
we
you for
are
being
quite into all these kind of things, like we do a lot of meditation and
I get that.
yoga and
So,
the happy.
yes.
So
So
one
what
of
we
our friends
started.
told, yeah.
Yeah, we started this initiative in 2018, and that is where we started, coming up with this curriculum, which is well designed for psychotherapists, for upcoming healers, for people who want to make a career. So we said, why not? Because all the countries, by the World Health Organization, started getting, as we say, the accreditation or the assessment of happiness index. So all the countries are being rated on how happy the country is, and there are many countries. So UAE being on 21 number from top, India being 144, and there are neighboring countries who are 96, 94, 104, 107. Each country has its own quotient of happiness. And what are the judgment criteria is how happy someone is, the per capita income, the health expectancy, life expectancy, and the joyful choices, how we make. These are the parameters upon which the countries were started, and Dubai, Middle East has happiness ministry. So we thought that why not bring this course to UAE and make this like a coaching model where we need people to come and help. Like as Diana said, that she works for underprivileged people, as we all also need to understand what happiness is. And true happiness actually comes from the secured mindset, is where we designed this entire curriculum of over 3 months, where the first month is module 1, in which we'll be talking more of diagnostics. See, when you go to a doctor needs to first assess what is wrong with the body. You need to know the symptoms of what you're going through, and only with you've understood the symptom, the outcome, the discomfort, and what is happening to the client with the diagnostics is where you start applying the therapeutic or intervention for someone to actually start helping someone. When we say dis-ease, displacement of ease, when the ease moves out is where there is pain that one doesn't know how to handle. And these are the things which we need to understand. So this is where I think we said that, okay, happiness coaching program, which has clinical hypnotherapy, that has Gestalt. There are several somatic charge, like, something that happens in the body. We work with psychosomatics. There are typical counseling modalities which are available where psychosomatics don't help in the counseling way. So counselors are not able to treat headache. Counselors are not able to treat cervical spondylitis. Counselors are not able to treat, the heaviness that you feel in the body, arthritis, allergies. So subcognitive counseling. So when you go and access your unconscious mind or the subconscious mind is where, with suggestive hypnosis or while working with the correct diagnostics and then giving NLP treatment, neuro-linguistic programming, or there are certain scripted modalities that we'll be giving each one of you. And in the class, there are already 10 enrollments that have happened. And then we all will be working with each other and then understanding a lot more in depth about life and how life operates, and how to work with yourself, understand your family a little better and all of that. And then eventually take this up as a career, where you will be listed as a therapist online, where if you wish to give therapies to people, like maybe if parenting becomes your favorite subject, you can always become a coach for some of the areas where you really feel that you specialize and it helps you. There'll be a lot of self-work. There'll be a lot of exploration through sharing. And this is going to be a certified course. So once you complete all the 3 modules, the investment for the module 1 is 2,555 dirhams. We had kept the early bird discount where you pay only 2,333. So that much discount you were getting. So we've extended that early bird discount if you enroll in the next 2 days. And this is like an entire part where you will be learning a whole lot of things. Because whenever we talk about that there is a life that we can create and we are the Lord and the master of our own destiny, how to change that destiny will begin with self-discovery. So when you know yourself more, when you know your family members more, you'll also be able to change your own life and then become a coach for others to change their life. Hello, Roa. Atif.
How is this, Rajesh, how is this different with the other course that you were introducing before with level 1, 2, 3 review? Is that the same thing that you have to make it in 3?
This is the same thing, Fariba. So this
because
is
that was all 3 in 1 month. Have you divided?
No. That was going to be module 1, 2, and 3. That would happen over 3 months. So we've now, segmented them as the first part in diagnostics, second part in treatment, and third part into psychosomatics and clinical disorders. So a whole lot of people who are not aware fully, and they like, for example, you've already attended level 1 to level 4 of hypnotherapy. Anadi has attended level 5. So a lot of people who learn hypnotherapy will also, they don't even know how to apply hypnotherapy in the correct way. So putting even that as a competency sharpening tool, this entire thing is going to be refreshing all the level 1, 2, and 3 theories, how to apply that in psychosomatics, clinical disorders, bodily issues, allergies, everything you'll be able to learn in depth. So this is going to be 3.5 hours each, where you'll be able to see some case studies, some videos, some understanding, learn from how I've handled things, and all my experience of 15 years is what I'm going to be sharing completely. Like how you've already seen me in 4 days, what we can achieve. This is going to be an entire 1 month of association where all your questions, all your cases, all what you're doing, all the guidance will come. It's like a mentorship program as well, Fariba. Which of course has nothing to do with Eka, but you will be able to sharpen your skills in every manner. Yes, Roa. Can you please be live? Hello? Roa, any
Hi.
questions about the course?
Yes. I know, I'm just interested to know about the life coaching.
Happiness coaching. Yeah, it is happiness coaching. Life coaching is still different. Happiness coaching is entirely knowing about the happiness, the aspects of happiness, positive psychology, and there are 6 more modalities, like even handwriting analysis and all of that. So just by looking at the handwriting, you'll be able to know entirely about a person and personality, and then use it as a diagnostic tool to also give therapy to change the complete brain neuropathways. So this is a career-based program that we are soon coming up. So have you done any hypnotherapy or any other therapy modalities, Joanna? Roa?
Yes, I took the level 1 and 2 hypnotherapy, but the flights are closed. I can't take the practical in Dubai. I live in Saudi.
Okay. No, so this is entirely an online program. So you'll still be able to complete the curriculum even if the flights don't open. Our curriculum is entirely 100% online.
Good.
Including submission of the cases and including all your practice rounds and everything. So you will be able to catch up with the practices even live and learn a lot of the bargain. And you also will become an online therapist completely. So giving all the modalities of what you've learned in 1 and 2, but there is much more in terms of suggestibility to sexuality, to psychosomatics, to behavior, to giving suggestions, to doing all what you've learned so far and learn it.
And for the, is there like an exam or practical?
So there is no exam, but there will be practical that will happen simultaneously with the class. And there'll also be a submission of 10 cases that we will expect.
Online.
And there'll be a personal interview. So that goes without, see, when you are becoming a practitioner, there has to be some assessment. You can't escape the assessment.
No, but it's because it's online.
Yes, it's all online.
Okay.
Even your practices will happen online. Yes, Anadi.
Rajesh, are these 10 cases different from the 10 cases for Eka, right?
Eka is entirely different, yes. But we will include some of the cases of Eka. No,
Okay.
so only the metaphysical cases we will not take. But 1, 2, 3, that we will take. And then there are 5 additional things that the new modalities that you're learning of transactional analysis, Gestalt and NLP, that is what will be additional thing that you will be doing. So technically it's only 5 additional cases.
I'm excited to see what NLP you're going to cover, because also I've taken 3 levels NLP. So that will be nice review for me.
Right. So see again, what I teach as NLP, Anadi, I teach therapeutic NLP. So use of language, how appropriately, how even anchoring, how swish, or how certain patterns of reframing, rephrasing, pacing, and leading. How do you use all of these techniques to build a rapport, create an impression, and combining hypnotherapy and NLP put together, and now therapeutically you can influence a client to heal a physical ailment in the body. Is how I connect every aspect of this entire thing.
So excited to
What
see
is the exciting part?
it.
Yes.
Rajesh, what documentation is needed for the other 5 that we don't do the audio? Because 5 we present the audio, and the other 5, do they have to write a letter, or how do we?
So you can always send all the audios, no problem. They have to be, in our case, they all have to be audio recorded. That is how we'll be taking.
Because
all
you said
cases
5
Five.
people with the audio.
5 with
But
audio.
what the other 5? Because
No,
it's total of 10.
In my case, total 10 has to be audio recorded. We want to see how you pitch, how you go about it, and how we will be seeing. And see, most of the things when you practice in the class, we are going to be observing your sessions. So it's unlike ECA. Trust me, the 10 cases is just going to be a formality for the international norms of the institution who give us accreditation, Fariba. That's just, but we will be observing your growth entirely through and through from module 1 to 3. So while you are practicing in the breakouts, our experts will come and always observe how you're doing it. So we already are going to assess you while you are attending the class simultaneously. So there is no separate, part. We already know that you're doing good. But because these international accreditations that we take, they tell us you got to submit the audios. That is why it comes with as a package. Otherwise, you don't get the 52 country certification and license. It's not about me. It's about also that you are being at par with any international therapy and modality which is certified at an international level, because this is going to be certified with International Association of Therapists and Coaches, IACT, Coaches and Therapists USA, which is the subsidiary of IMDHA, just like ECA. And the other part is also going to be Federation of Holistic Therapists UK. So you're going to be accredited by these. So this criteria of recording the cases and giving it set by them. We have to submit it along with your certification. That's when you will get the final certification. So that's a mandate by them. So it's not just, so when you are becoming a practitioner, it requires a little serious submissions. That's why it requires audio.
No, because before I remember that few times you said in the class, 5 people you present with the audio.
That is for ECA. You're confusing, Fariba. You're confusing. My course is entirely different and ECA is entirely different. That's what I'm saying. ECA has 5 audio, 5 submissions. That's ECA. But
you have to need to have a hat today that I'm ECA and today I'm.
No. Only for submissions, Fariba. See, let's understand that other, like for example, NLP, there are 5 new scripts that we are V2K, Swish, belief rescripting. These are all very new modalities that I'll be teaching. And those are the steps and scripts that we'll be giving you. So it's not about wearing the hat. Ultimately, you are going to be a happiness coach, which will have clinical hypnotherapy and all the other modalities programmed within that. But what I'm saying is, in order to become a serious therapist and a coach which is working and who's working with illuminations in future, definitely that part of seriousness is required, because we will be doing a thorough quality check of who will become the final certified happiness coach. And there'll be, of course, a contract before, you are listed on the app and you get the client referrals, and a whole lot of that will happen in future when we launch the app as well. So it's not like ECA where you get certified and, you will not be given any support any further. But here you will also get listed with the app, and all those things will also come along with it. Of course, depending upon how the Corona situation is in future, but most of the work will happen online. So you are listed online therapist on the app. And it will be customizable. So let's say you are already doing a job and you say, Rajesh, I want to do happiness coaching referrals for weekends. So we will list you only for the weekends. And you will say, Rajesh, I want to be listed between, let's say, 11 o'clock to 5 p.m. After that, I will not take cases. Okay, fine. We'll list you for 11 to 5. You say, Rajesh, I don't want to work with addiction cases. I want to work with only relationship areas and parenting areas. So we will list you. We'll customize your profile in such a way that whichever modality and whatever date and whatever time that flexibly you want to work, you'll be listed as a coach. So while you're doing what you're doing, continuing with your job, whatever extra time, let's say even after your office hours in the evening, you want to do one client a day, we will list you for that one client a day. So that much more your search, whoever is searching for that slot for that modality in that city, you will be listed. And on rotation basis, these clients will be given from the app. Manjula ji, your mic is on mute. I can't hear you. Your daughter.
Can you hear?
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah. No, like when you when we have the clients, then the charges are like you would put, or how do you?
You will be putting it, and a part of it will come to you as a part of the therapist. So there'll be a contract, and commercials will be explained once you complete. But then, yes, this is a career-based thing. So we will decide the charges. A part of it will go to the app. The part of it will go to Illumination. Then the part of it will come to the therapist. Yeah.
I was just asking my daughter to join it, no? So.
Yeah.
So
no, it will definitely be on respectable platform, and also the commercials. We will discuss it later. Once the module 1 is done. After that, we will, of course, announce the commercials as well.
Starting in March, is it?
March 1st is when we are beginning.
And daily, it's a daily online
4
class?
days a week.
4 days a week. What time?
Evening, 6:30 to 10 p.m.
6:30 to 10 p.m. And this for how many, what's the duration of the course?
The entire month, 26 days. It will continue until 2nd of April. So there are 3 Fridays that we'll be doing full day from morning 10 to 2 and 3 to 7 or 3 to 6. So on those Fridays, we are doing full. Otherwise, on the weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days, evening, 6:30 to 10. Yes. Any other questions? Thank you so much. Gianna, thank you for all the noble work that you're doing. I'm really, really happy to see that for underprivileged people, you are working in Mauritius. And I hope, looking forward to if you can join, nothing like it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye. Bye.
Anadi, anything else? I know that you are there, and I have to send you the notes in time so that you can begin learning. That will ensure that you get it before time. Don't worry.
Please, thank you.
Yes. Anything else? Roa, can I help you with any other questions, or we are good to end the session?